How could something so delicate also be dangerous? Kind of afraid of it, darling, believe me. I'm just praying you keep me. And you look like an angel there, you and your braided hair. Oh, it's just so unfair, you'll never see. You've got a hold on me. And it feels like suicide looking into your eyes. I get so terrified that I'm gonna lose you, and I'll die if I do. It's a death wish, love. Take my heart, I let you spill my blood. Cut me down again. I love you and I'll love you to death. On and on and only you can kill me now. I'll scream.
Toothless, come back! No! Toothless!
Hold me down again.
It's okay.
I love you and I'll love you to death.
I want you to be free.
Love you for as long as I can.